Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing June smoke and carbon monoxide alarm tests. Yes, June is finally here, and it's almost the end of the school year, which means it's almost summer. You know what else that means? It's June, next month is July, and know why I'm saying that? Is because July is when I started my first smoke alarm test, and that started this whole series, which means next month will be the 1-year anniversary for the smoke alarm test series, and we're going to do something special for it. And it's also going to be my 2-year anniversary of my YouTube channel, which is also pretty exciting. Notice we don't have a poll today. We're not going to be using the poll to test them. Why are we doing that? Well, every January and June, we're doing smoke spray for the smoke alarms. So right here, I have a can of smoke check. I have 2 of them, but I'm using 1. And I want to get up right to the smoke alarm, and I want to be able to stop it right away. So the winner for this month will be Mom and Dad's bedroom. I know we didn't vote. Voting will be coming out after this video. So anyway, enough talking. That was all for this part so far, and let's get started. Let's use this on this smoke detector, and this one may be a little bit shorter. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to tell. I'll tell you. I'm actually not sure until I start editing the video. But I'm not going to record myself walking around because I have to move this ladder. So I don't want you to get dizzy. So I'm going to just clip at each smoke alarm. Okay, we are going up. Okay. That one's good. And to make sure it's fully empty, gonna put this fan up to it. Okay, that one's good. Now I'm not gonna do the basement one just because. So I'll get the poll for that one. So the 2 smoke alarms that we're gonna be doing in this house that are not using smoke will be the one we're about to do right now and Mom and Dad's bedroom. So the basement and Mom and Dad's bedroom we're not doing with smoke. And maybe the hallway upstairs, because that one has a security alarm right next to it. Or like a security smoke alarm that I don't want to call the police on. But my new method may actually work. So we're gonna try it. Okay, that one's good. Okay, hallway upstairs. Okay, iPad. Fan. Here, take this.
I'll just use the fan.
It's to wave it out. It's good to wave it out and get some ventilation in there. And now let's reset it. Because when that red light means it's in test mode. Okay, next one.
Shake it up first.
There we go. Okay, next one. Oh, I didn't know it had a liquid to it. Okay, that one's good. Last one with the smoke spray, and the last one before we do the walk around. Okay, that one went off right away, but I'm gonna just hold it, leave it. Okay, that one's good. Now we can put this away at the end. Okay, Dad, we're ready to go. That's my walkie battery dying. Okay, that one's good. Okay, this one's good. 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 I hear a weird noise, so I have to check that out first. Sounds good. I actually don't know where it's coming from. I'm gonna stop it though. Okay, you can let go. Okay. Now we'll do the CO alarms. Okay, now it's time to do the CO detector. There's a smart plug there. It's a night light. Okay, that one is good. It's actually easier to fit it in here than you think, because of this nightlight bulb. Okay. Anyway, that was it for this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, folks. Thank you for watching.